Today we present you the top 3 list of power banks under 1000 rupees. Well, top 3 doesn't mean first one being at the top or third being at the bottom, it's just the list. So moving on, first one, that is MI 3i power bank, priced at 999 or 1000 rupees. The well trusted MI power bank comes with a 10,000 mAh capacity. It also has a 20,000 option which comes at a higher price, but we won't be discussing that variant for now. So moving on to the design, it comes in a nice minimalistic design with the aluminum casing, so it's quite robust, though some may find it a bit slippery because of its pressed metal design over the surface. Not a big deal, but something to point out. It just weighs 251 grams, and with slim design it can easily be carried in your pocket. It comes with an 18-watt fast charging with two-way power input, that is USB-C and micro USB, and has a 2 USB power outputs. It also comes with a low power charging mode, which is good for charging your low power devices. Well, this whole package makes it a really ideal choice for someone who is looking to buy a 10,000 mAh capacity power bank under 1000 rupees. It comes with a two classic color options, that is midnight black and blue. Let's summarize the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it has got an 18-watt fast charging. It has got aluminum casing. It has got a two-way power input, that is Type-C and micro USB. It has also a low power charging mode for charging your low power devices, and it's made in India. Moving on to the cons, well, not exactly a con but something to just point out. The surface tends to feel a bit slippery due to its pressed metal design. Now moving on to the smart scoring. This is the scoring of the product under different category, which is displayed on your screen right now. Look and feel 3.5 by 5. Yeah, it's a decent looking power bank, but yeah, it's simple. Durability, of course, 5 on 5 because of its aluminum body. Features 4 by 5. Yeah, it's a decent power bank with decent features. Value for money 4.5 by 5 because I think it's an ideal package. Priced at 999. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. You can click on the link and you can buy it. Easy step. If you use that link to buy that product, it will help the channel grow. Now moving to the next product on our list is power bank from Urban, or you can spell it as URBN. I will call it Urban. So again, this is a 10,000 mAh power capacity. Urban is a new name in this category, but it packs some really good deal. This power bank is definitely very compact, which is even smaller than your palm, assuming you are an adult, and just weighs around 180 grams, which makes it very easy to carry around. A nice soft rubberized texture on the surface along with its compact dimensions make it very comfortable in hands. It comes with a 12-watt fast charging with dual input, that is USB-C and micro USB, and a dual USB outputs. It is also BIS certified product and is travel friendly. It comes in attractive color options like blue, light blue, camo and purple. And my personal favorite is camo, for sure. Let's summarize this product under pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Very compact design and lightweight, feels good to hold in hands. Comes in attractive color options and looks premium. Even though it's made up of plastic, but it's tough and rugged. It's BIS certified. Comes with 1 year warranty. Other brands offer just 6 months. Price is very attractive, and of course it's made in India. Moving on to the cons, only we got one con actually. The bundled USB cable could have been a better quality. Moving on to the smart scoring. Looks and feel 5 on 5. Durability 4.5 upon 5. Features 4 by 5. Value for money 5 upon 5 because this cost only 499 or say 500 rupees. If you want to buy this product, the link is in the description. Now moving on to the third product from our list is the power bank from Realme 2i quick charge lithium polymer power bank. Now it's also 10,000 mAh capacity. It's certainly one of the best looking power banks, if not the best. With premium and funky looks at the same time, it definitely looks stylish. It's slim and weighs around 250 grams, makes it easy to carry around. It has got a nice textured surface which looks good as well as provides a perfect grip. It has a 12 watt fast charging with two input ports, that is USB-C or C type and a micro USB, and two output USB ports. It also has a 18 watt option and a 30 watt options, but with a higher price tag. It also comes with a 14 layer circuit protection. It comes with a low power charging mode for charging your small devices. It comes in two striking color options, that is black and yellow. Moving on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, nice textured surface which is practical as well as looks premium. Two-way power input, that is type C and micro USB. Low power charging mode, 14 layer circuit protection. Now let's see the cons. Price is on a bit higher side. Now let's look at the smart score. Looks and feel 5/5. Durability 4/5. Features 4/5. Value for money 4/5. If you are interested in buying this product, then the link is in the description, and if you use our link to buy that product, it will help to grow our channel. Now these are our top 3 recommendations for the power banks under 1000 rupees. If you like this video, please do like this video. Haha. Well, this channel is new, and if you have any feedback, please share that in the comment section below. Please support us by subscribing and sharing the video. We do post new videos every week. So see you next week.